springtime, this tree blooms beautiful white flowers. The theme of my garden area, one of the color schemes, should I say, is white. That's why I have those vases over there that I spray painted white. Thinking of spray painting those stepping stones white. I plan on having a lot more bushes and flower plants and garden food like tomatoes, perhaps okra, because okra is a very pretty plant. I don't really care for okra as far as the taste, but I love the flowers. And one way that I will eat okra is if it's fried. So yeah, I'll probably grow some okra over here and different things. If you all have any suggestions, let me know. But yeah, hopefully when this area is done, especially next spring, it will look very nice. Because right now it's in August, it's almost September, and yeah, we don't have much more time left for things to grow and bloom, the flowers. Like these are annuals, so they'll die when the winter comes, and they won't come back next spring. But if I dig them up and put them in a flower pot and take them inside, they may survive over winter. So that's what I plan to do if it be YaHs will. But a lot of these flowers I have over here, these plants, as you can see, these are perennials. These used to have beautiful yellow flowers on them. Now they're going to seed. That's what it looks like when they seed. I just got some of these. These are perennials as well. And they get beautiful yellow flowers as well. This one's kind of small, so you can't really see its splendor. And then I have this. It's a hibiscus plant. It gets very, very gorgeous flowers as well. And these are little buds on them right here that will open up into huge, beautiful flowers. And I plan on planting something in here. What I like to do first is add some slightly decomposed old grass to the bottom, because it'll continue to decompose when you put dirt on top. And since dirt is so much heavier, it weighs down the grass, and then it'll decompose in the bottom and be very nutritious for the plants. So I plan on planting something in here as well. A lot of these plants, since they're still young and some of them kind of wilted just a little bit because they needed to be transplanted in a hurry to get more nutritious dirt. So I added it to this pot yesterday, but I plan on actually putting it down into the dirt. But these get pretty purple flowers and they're nice and big. This plant gets a lot bigger than it is right now. But I'm sure it will revive soon, especially if I keep it watered. Same with this one right here. Will be a nice big bush once I get to plant it and it continues to grow. these red berries, or little fruit things. I don't think they're edible, but I think they're very pretty. The way they cluster. And the white flowers that come in the spring to bring these little things about are gorgeous as well. As you all may or may not know, my favorite color is red. It's such a beautiful and vibrant color. And I really like white. It's elegant, it's bright. So yeah. This tree is easy for me to climb a little and sit up in. I'm gonna see if I can try real quick. So I'm up in the tree, just sitting up here chilling on the branches. It's pretty cool up here. So you can see I'm not that high, but I'm high enough. I'm not a fan of heights, but if it's something like this isn't too high at all. How many of you all are afraid of heights? So I hope you are interested in seeing more on my YouTube channel with me out in nature. I'm just enjoying the breeze up in this tree, as you can see. But I plan on doing a lot more videos out in nature, showing the progress of my garden area and doing different things out here in the garden and different flowers that I'm going to plant, different things like that. So if you are interested, stay tuned. And definitely subscribe if you haven't already.